I'm here today in the historic and picturesque village of Chilham to show you this delightful period cottage situated right in the heart of the village square. On the ground floor you have a charming open plan layout with lots of cosy sitting areas, ideal for curling up with a good book. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite, and there's also the main family bathroom. Outside you have this pretty garden to the front, and to the rear you have a courtyard garden with a garage and parking. So if you're looking for a gorgeous period cottage nestled in the heart of one of the county's most sought after villages, then contact Foundation Estate Agents today.